Alright guys, just will enjoy me. Now let's continue our journey. So previously we made something like yeah, like nostalgia review of my like my childhood game. It's a Asian version of a Monopoly, and I want to share at the beginning of this. I want to share a funny story. Is that I believe that time my family is pretty poor, so we don't have a computer actually. But my sister have a computer, and I go to it's not like a I go to his like a cousin. It's like called cousin or sister. Yeah, my cousin got a uh, computer at her home, and so we play this game as a kid, and I'm so fond of this game, and I like copy that in the 3.5 inches like a flop. It's a kind of like a disc, but obviously I just saved the shortcut, and I don't know. You have to like store everything, okay? But kids' brains pretty, yeah, interesting. I thought that because I know nothing at that time about computer, but if you think about it, it's amazing. Is how you if you like look back, it's how you connect the dots, and it's so interesting. And yeah, I cried multiple times about not being able to play this game because I just grasp every opportunity to come anyone's home as long as I got a computer. I got this 3.5 inches disc and just try to play that game. Pretty fun story. So yeah, bring me nostalgia. So let's go back to use Godot. It's amazing that how technology has advanced, and you got AI, you got all this stuff, and you can recreate the childhood game. Okay, okay. Let's do this. And I named this game, I think, called Paradise, something like that, because I draw a lot of a cat. Okay, let's bring this to here. Okay, so I believe I can bring my head to this way, so it's better for you to actually see it. Okay, so basically, as you guys can see, we got a game. So basically, this is a game scene. Okay, we got a game, and if you got run project or command B, like a build. Okay, no main thing has ever been defined. Select one, and you can select or select current. Right now it's just current. You can select multiple. Right now just the one. Okay, because we just got game scene. So basically, scene is like kind of like a container. Everything is like container, like an object. Okay, and let's do this. So we can add child node. Okay, we instantiate, expand all that. Right now I'm going to add a child node, and right now node we got a tons of things that we can add. Right, you can get like a node 2D, and got like inside node 2D we get tons of things. Okay, that's amazing. Let's find something that we can actually add. Let's add sprite 2D. So general purpose sprite node. Okay, you add that, you create it, and will automatically be here. Okay, so the game and sprite 2D, okay, node 2D, canvas item, node, all that. Okay, but remember we actually draw a cat background. That's exactly what we are going to use. So I believe right now the texture right now is empty, and you can import the image to here. So right now, if you choose, you won't be able to choose it because you got like nothing here. And normally I will like make my project organized. So I will create a new folder. That folder will be the game asset. So assets, okay, assets folder. Should I capitalize it or not? Yeah, let me not capitalize it right now. It's just capitalize it. Let's rename. We can just enter. Scenes and assets, let's not capitalize it, just make everything easy. And I created tons of PNG file. Okay, let me just click and drag. Okay, I love this, like a pretty intuitive, okay, design. So I got this cat. Okay, by the way, I also got a channel called Learn Digital Art. Okay, so if you're interested, you can check it out. Okay, we got this paradise catch background, gold and all that. Okay. Okay, just some silly name that I'm thinking. Okay, obviously, this will not be the final game. It's just for tutorial. Yeah. So for example, the BG as a short for background. Okay, we click the sprite 2D. Our inspector, we got this empty, and this shouldn't be empty. Should be a background. Okay. So if you look at here, you just this image be like added directly to the at the center here. And remember, the position part is pretty weird, okay? But if you think about it, it do make sense, okay? Let me show you. So right now, remember, this is added at the center, but that is not the center of your game. Okay, so let me just quickly show you. If you just quickly play it, okay, select current, because we don't have a lot of things. Okay, so just select current, build it, and this will be your game. And just wait and see. Okay, Godot. As we can see, it's kind of showing the image that we draw, but not like at the center. Why is that? Because there is a small box that you may miss. Okay, so if you look at here, this really tiny small box. Let me show you. I don't know whether you guys can see this like a really tiny line here. Okay, and this line, okay, here and upwards. Okay, I don't know whether you guys can see it. Okay, I'm having difficulty seeing it. But you just need to know this is the actual screen. Okay, so the viewport, this is like a game window, and everything will be like shown here. So the canvas can be bigger, can be smaller. Okay, but right now just part of it, the canvas, part of the image, the sprite 2D is here. So what I'm going to do is to zoom it out a tiny little bit, and I'm going to move this sprite 2D just a little bit. So there are a lot of tools here. Okay, and you can just use it like move tool. You can use all this rotation, all that. Right now I think move is pretty good. I'm going to use W and click and move to approximate the center, but it's too big. So you can, it's a no 2D. So you got to transform. Let me move my head a little bit. Okay, so out here it's no 2D. We got to transform. Okay, and you can transfer position. As we can see, if you like manually do this position already changed X. Okay, so if you go more right, the X go up. If you go more down, the Y go up. So this essentially is at 0 and 0. Okay, and here what I'm going to do is to put approximately in the center, but I can scale it down. Okay, so right now I think maybe I'm going to scale 0.8, something like that, and it's locked. So they're like keeping the ratio, maybe a little bit smaller. Okay, 7. Yeah, that's about it. Maybe move it tiny little down. Yeah. So you can run this again. You can see the result. Voila, we got out this whole canvas. Cat, okay, like Maliki Nickel, inside of your screen. Okay, so that will be the whole canvas, whole game, canvas, game node, game scene. That we're going to dealing with. Of course, you can like be pretty precise. Of course, we can use code to change it. Everything that we're doing this manually, we can do with code. But I don't want to go too nitty gritty or too precise at the beginning, because I want you guys to experience the freedom of this engine. Okay, it's open source and it's free, and you can do whatever you want. You can create. Actually, you can like draw. Like I have kids. Okay, you can ask your kids to draw things, and you can quickly put it inside and make a game, make it moving, and your kids will love it. and I just want to know, want you guys to know that like this is like my childhood dream. Okay, this is my childhood dream to actually create something, draw something, and I can actually build it. Okay, of course you can run it on the phone, you can test it, but I'm not going to do that. It's pretty easy, in fact. But I just want you guys to know that it's doable, and it's really, really helpful to have this open source software out there, like that you can choose from, like Unity, Unreal, and all that. Okay, and Godot. So yeah, I think that's all for this video. I try to make my video like bite-sized, so like solve one specific problem at one specific video, so you guys easy for you guys to follow along. And yeah, see you next video. Don't forget to give me a thumb up, subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks, bye.